In the middle of a school day, phones are buzzing across a crowded hallway. An embarrassing photo of a student just hit the main peer group chat. The response is reflexive. Within seconds, students are laughing and turning the image into a meme, reacting to the screen without considering the person behind the pixels. We're going to stop the clock right here. Our protagonist's thumb is hovering just above the forward button. Digital interfaces prioritize speed, making it easy to share content with a single tap. This design can obscure the permanence of our actions. Once a file reaches a dozen different servers, it cannot be unsent. This split-second pause is the moment of decision. That single tap determines whether a student chooses to protect their classmate or participate in their public humiliation. This specific photo started with a violation. A private moment was captured and shared without the subject's knowledge or consent. Non-consensual capture happens quietly. It looks like a phone held at hip level to record a classmate in the hall, or a quick screenshot of a private conversation that was never meant for a group chat. It is easy to assume that if you didn't take the photo, you aren't responsible for the fallout. Many people believe they are simply observers of content that is already public. This network graph tracks how digital distribution functions. When secondary nodes hit forward, reach scales from dozens to hundreds instantly. This rapid expansion moves the content beyond the subject's reach. They lose the ability to track copies, delete files, or control who sees it. Tapping forward scales the reach of the content, turning a private violation into a public spectacle. To stop this chain of distribution, we use a mental framework called pause before you post. The first two steps are analytical. You verify if you have explicit permission from the subject, and you scan the content for any private or sensitive information. The final two steps are based on empathy. You assess if the content could cause embarrassment, and you ask yourself if you would want this shared if the roles were reversed. If you are unsure, do not post or forward it. Applying this filter separates reactive participants from students who take responsibility for their shared digital environment. Time unfreezes. Having run the filter, our student chooses to pull their thumb away. They decide not to forward, laugh, or contribute to the thread. The first defensive step is quarantine. This means making a conscious choice to avoid liking, commenting on, or cross-posting the media to other chats. There is a clear distinction between saving a photo to mock someone and saving a photo to document a violation. When preserving evidence, you need the context. That means capturing the sender's username, the exact timestamp, and the surrounding messages, rather than just the harmful image itself. Take that documented evidence to a trusted adult, a teacher, guidance counselor, or administrator. Reporting is a method of containment. It provides a way for the school to support the affected student and address the behavior of those spreading the content. By involving the school's support system, you move the situation from a chaotic chat room into a controlled environment where the victim can actually get help. The digital intervention creates space for a real-world resolution. When the screens go away, peers can offer direct, in-person support to their classmate. These 4 principles define digital citizenship. Ask permission, protect privacy, do not forward harmful content, and report safely. Social media platforms are designed to reward shares and likes, but those metrics are shallow. The real value lies in the human dignity we maintain offline. We measure digital responsibility by the choice to protect the privacy of others, even when the crowd is pushing to do the opposite.